Hello everyone! Today we're diving into UNI's editing tools. First, we need to understand UNI's world coordinates. Let's take out a cube. Look at the small cube in the top right corner of the interface. Rotate your perspective until you see X and click it. This switches the view to the positive X-axis. Slightly rotate the camera until you can see three faces of the cube. Then select it. Open Properties and check the Group Transform section. The first property is Position. This represents the pivot point of the object in world space. When all values are set to 0, the object appears at the center of the world. Position is linked to the Move and Drag tools in the editing panel. The red axis represents X, the green axis represents Y, the blue axis represents Z. Using the Move tool, drag forward then X increases, drag backward then X decreases. Drag upward then Y increases, drag downward then Y decreases. Drag right then Z increases, drag left then Z decreases. To adjust how far the object moves each time, click free to toggle movement increments, for example, 0.1 meters, 0.5 meters, 1.0 meters. Using the drag tool allows the object to follow your finger to a specific location, with the position values updating in real time. Use free to enable snapping to coordinate grid increments. The second one is rotation. Modifying this value rotates the object. You can also use the rotate tool on the left panel. Axis colors. The red axis represents X, the green axis represents Y, the blue axis represents Z. Rotating clockwise increases the value, while rotating counterclockwise decreases it. Note, the rotation uses a 360 scale, resetting to 0 after exceeding 360. To adjust rotation angles, click free to set increments, for example, 5, 15, 90. After rotating, select the Move tool and toggle World to switch between world coordinates and local coordinates. Local coordinates follow the object's rotation, so dragging along the X-axis moves the object diagonally if rotated. World coordinates remain unchanged by rotation. Let's move to scale. Adjusting this value changes the model size. Axis colors. The red axis represents X, the green axis represents Y, the blue axis represents Z. When dragging an axis, only the side being dragged will scale, shifting the center point. Dragging the circular handles adjusts all three axes simultaneously for uniform scaling. Click free to toggle scaling increments, for example, 0.1 meters, 0.5 meters, 1.0 meters. That's it for today's UNI editing tool basics. Practice these techniques to master object manipulation in Unicraft. See you next time!